Good morning, everybody. I'm Lau King Sing under Prof. Madia Dr. Lee Seong Wei. I'm proposing on the research of determining the effect of fermented soy pulp 75 and 125 to the growth of African catfish, Clarias gariepinus, in aquaponic systems. So, without further ado, let's move on to the research background. Fish meal is the main protein sources in feed formulation for fish all along, especially for the carnivorous fish species. The continuous development of aquaculture will result in a high demand and shortage supply of for fish meal. In carnivorous fish species, the replacement of fish meal by plant protein sources has only achieved limited success. However, fish cannot utilize carbohydrate as energy sources efficiently. Carnivorous fish species require good quality and highly digestible protein source in their feed. Soybean meal is considered as the best sources of plant-based protein among plant protein ingredients. Next, the soy is not only good but also bad to animal health. It's because of the anti-nutrition factors. Fish cannot digest the protein due to anti-nutritional factors. However, the fermentation process can be used on a soy to lower the anti-nutrient substance which acts as the toxin. My hypothesis is that the fermented soy pulp 75 and 125 can promote the growth of African catfish in aquaponic system. Next, the scope of the study. Fermented soy pulp promotes the growth of African catfish in aquaponic system. So what is the fermented soy pulp? It will be defined generally as the insoluble parts of soybean that remain after pure soybeans are filtered which undergone fermentation process. The growth of the African catfish will be defined generally as the body weight of the African catfish across the experiment. Next, the significance of this research. The fermented soy pulp can be used as the alternate option for fish meal because fish meal is more expensive than the soybean. So the fermented soy pulp promotes growth, performance, and nutrients digestibility of animals. The fermentation process can make the soy pulp digestion friendly. It is high in vitamin K2, which is hard to get from other food and important for bone and cardiovascular health. Next, what is the objective of the research? It is to evaluate the potential of fermented soy pulp 75 and 125 and also to identify the growth of African catfish fed with FSP 25 and 125. Next, the characteristic and taxonomy of soy. So well-processed soy protein isolate and soy protein concentrate can be substituted as source of plant protein instead of animal protein source. Besides, its protein value is no different than animal protein. Soybeans are equipped with various vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds, such as the isoflavones. They contain antioxidants and phytonutrients that are connected to the health benefits. Antioxidants are compounds which help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Next, the growth performance of fish fed with alternate protein source. So it is believed that the alternate protein source for fish fed with fish meal can be really helpful. So according to Michael et al., it's found that the juvenile rainbow trout diet can contain up to 30% of pepsogen without any poor growth performance, which replaces at least 60% fish meal in the feed. Raw found that the fermented soybean meal can be protein supplement in diet of African catfish. Chen et al. Reported that the soy protein inclusion diets above 60 are not recommended as they cause reduction in diet utilization. Next, methodology. So the raw soybean will be fermented. Then all ingredient of fermentation will be mixed by the mixer and kept into the airtight container for 3 weeks. FSP will be dry within sunlight. Then the FSP will be used in the coating on the fish pellet. So FSP 75 will be containing fish pellet 25% and FSP 75%. FSP 125 will be containing feed pellet 100% and FSP 125%. Control will be having 100% fish pellet. CMC will be act as the binder. Feeding trial will be operated for 8 weeks. We will be putting the 30 fishes into 6 tanks each. The data of the weight and the length of the fish will be recorded weekly.